So my wife is cooking some chicken wings, and just to kind of give you an idea of how nice this air sensor thingy here is, this Levoit. We picked it up. We picked it up because I've got really bad allergies, and it seems to be doing a pretty good job. I haven't had nearly as bad allergies as I had before we had this. It does a good job at cleaning the air, and it detects when the air needs to be cleaned. I was pretty skeptical at first, but just to give you an idea, this thing was rolling smoke out of it. I had to run out here. I didn't even realize it. I was in the other room, and I got an alert on my phone saying the air quality is really bad. And so I'm like, what the heck's going on? I come out here, and there's smoke rolling out of the oven. The chicken wings were burned, and then this thing's over here fighting it, trying to clean the air up. So it works. It's not a gimmick. It does detect even the slightest change in the air quality. I'm pretty happy with it. Right now it's a big red ring. It's not happy with us. It's 131 parts per million or whatever, I guess, I don't know, ppm. But just to give you an idea, we have it kind of close to our, we have like an Arizona room here where you can go out and hang out. But I just to give you an idea, I grill out here. I've got a grill set up, and if I like make a quick trip in and out of the house, this thing out here, or this guy in here, if I leave the door open and pop in, it'll pick up that I'm like pulling smoke in with me when I'm going in and out. And it doesn't go up to 130, but it'll sometimes get up to 10 or 15. But normally when nothing's burning or none of our food's on fire, it does a great job. It keeps the house right at 001. So if we come out here and we see it's at 02 or 03 or whatever, we know that there's something in the air or anything more than that. So yeah, it's down to yellow. It's slowly cleaning the air. But we have like a 3,500 square foot house. It does a really good job. So it's back to red. Anyways, just wanted to get that captured real quick.